Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Prepare yourself for a captivating journey as we dive into the world of finance and business. So, whether you're here to expand your knowledge, seek inspiration, or simply enjoy a moment of entertainment, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started. Remote project management is the process of overseeing and coordinating projects while team members are geographically dispersed, working from different locations or even different time zones. In this approach, project managers utilize various communication and collaboration tools to keep the team connected and on track. Effective remote project management requires clear communication, well-defined goals, and regular check-ins to ensure everyone is aligned and aware of their responsibilities. It also involves leveraging technology to facilitate real-time collaboration, document sharing, and progress tracking. By adapting to remote work dynamics, project managers can foster a cohesive team environment and deliver successful projects despite physical distance. In remote project management, strong leadership and organizational skills are essential. Project managers must establish clear objectives, delegate tasks effectively, and promote open communication among team members. They should be adept at using online project management tools to monitor progress, assign deadlines, and manage resources efficiently. Moreover, remote project managers need to be mindful of potential challenges such as communication gaps, time zone differences, and potential feelings of isolation among team members. By fostering a supportive and inclusive virtual workspace and adapting their management style to suit remote work, project managers can lead their teams to achieve project success regardless of their physical location. Making money from remote project management can be achieved through various avenues. Here are some strategies to monetize your remote project management skills. Freelancing or consulting. Offer your project management expertise as a freelancer or consultant to businesses and organizations. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and TopTal can connect you with potential clients seeking remote project management services. Build a strong online portfolio highlighting your past projects and successful outcomes to attract clients. Remote job opportunities. Many companies nowadays offer remote work options, including project management roles. Look for remote job listings on websites like remote.co, We Work Remotely, and FlexJobs. Tailor your resume and cover letter to showcase your remote project management experience and skills. Online project management training. Create and sell online courses or workshops focused on project management. Share your knowledge, insights, and best practices with aspiring project managers or teams seeking to enhance their project management capabilities. Project management tools and software. Develop or collaborate with developers to create project management tools or software that cater to remote teams' specific needs. Offer these tools as a subscription-based service to generate recurring income. Virtual team building and workshops. Organize virtual team building sessions and workshops for remote teams to improve their collaboration and communication skills. These services can be valuable for companies looking to strengthen their remote workforce. Affiliate marketing. Partner with project management tools, software, or platforms as an affiliate marketer. Promote these products through your online presence or content, and earn a commission for each sale or referral. Project management content creation. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast where you share project management tips, techniques, and insights. Monetize your content through advertising, sponsorships, or donations. Remember that establishing a strong online presence, networking within relevant communities, and continually developing your project management skills will significantly contribute to your success in making money from remote project management. Building a reputation for delivering successful projects and providing value to clients or teams will help you attract more opportunities and secure a steady income stream. And that concludes another captivating episode on our channel. We hope you enjoyed this journey of exploration and discovery as much as we did. Before we part ways, we want to express our sincere gratitude to each and every one of you, our incredible viewers. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Thanks for watching.